Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm back with yet another tutorial video on app guide, and in today's video I'll show you how you can log out of a Grindr account from a Grindr application. So you have a Grindr account that you use for online dating and many other reasons, and now you want to log out of that account for some reason but you can't figure out how you can do it. Watch this video till the end. I'll show you some simple steps in order to log out of a Grindr account using a Grindr application in very easy way. It's a very simple process. Just follow the simple steps I do and I'll do it in no time. So the first thing you want to do in order to log out of a Grindr account is open a Grindr application. Once you open a Grindr application, you'll land on an interface like this. Now from here, in order to log out, what you need to do is simply tap on the profile icon on the top left corner of your screen, and from this window what you need to do is go into your settings. Once you go into your settings, you'll land on an interface like this. Now from here, in order to log out, what you need to do is simply scroll down to the bottom of the page and here tap on the logout button. Once you tap on the logout button, a pop-up window like this will open asking you for the confirmation in order to log out of a Grindr account. So if you really want to log out, what you need to do is simply tap on the logout button to give you confirmation. So tap on that button. Once you tap on that button, you'll successfully log out of a Grindr account without any problem at all. So those were the simple steps in order to log out of a Grindr account from a Grindr application in very easy way. So that will be it for today's video. Hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next video with some new information. Goodbye.